Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change theme, especially on how to change lighting on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Dress to Impress and I'm going to show you how we can change our lighting. As you can see, now I'm using day theme and I'm going to change it to night. We can click on this icon and then we can simply click on night to change the lighting to night. Okay, tap on night and this is the result. As you can see that now I'm applying the night lighting to my Dress to Impress, and basically we just need to click on the icon and then select day or night. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to change lighting on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!